Good morning, my dear students. Hope you all are doing well. So let's start with computer class, chapter number 7, and chapter name is editing a worksheet. So today I will tell you about Microsoft Excel. So what is Microsoft Excel? Microsoft Excel is an application software used to perform mathematical calculation. Means if you want to calculate large number of calculations, so we will use a Microsoft Excel. And if you want to save large database, so we will use a Microsoft Excel. So look here. Here A, B, C, D, these are called the columns, and 1, 2, 3, these are called the row. And what is this? This is called the active cell, and this cell is the intersection between rows and column. Now I will tell you entering numbers as text, date and time. So listen carefully. If you want to insert a date in any cell, so firstly right click on any cell, then click on format cells. After click on date option. After clicking on date option, here so many date types are showing. So you will select any date option, like I will choose this option, then click on OK button. Now I will write here date like this. I will follow this method, then I will press enter key. So it will change with that we have changed the type of date. Okay, so Excel automatically change that you store the type. Like you want to change another type, so same, right click, then click on format option, then click on date, then choose the type. Now I will select this type, so click on it and click on OK button. So this is the way how you will insert a date. Now I will tell you how to insert a time. Right click on it, click on format cell, then click on time. Here so many time types are there. You can choose any type. Okay, like I will choose this type, then click on OK. So your time will shown in your cell like this way. Okay, next, replacing cell content. Now I will tell you how to replace cell content. So firstly I will make one Excel sheet. Now I will tell you how to replace cell content. So firstly I will enter a data in this database. So I will enter here roll number. So how you will enter counting roll number like 1, 2, 3, 4. So firstly select both cell, then click on the right box and drag down. So this is the way how you will insert a date. If you want to insert same number, so you will select only one number and drag down. If you want to continue 1, 2, 3 like this increasing number, so you will select two cells. Clear? Now here I will enter a name like A, B, C. Okay, like this way. Now I will enter the numbers like 12, 23, 34, 45, 56, 65. Okay, now I want to change 56 number to 65. So how I will change? Firstly put the cursor on the cell. Now your cell is active. Okay, now you will change the value like this way. So it will overtype. Next is using edit mode. If you want to insert a using edit mode, so simply click on the cell. So here one cursor will come. Look here, this means your cell is active and it is with your using mode. Okay, next is using undo and redo button. What is the use of undo and redo? The redo command is used to quickly reverse the last action. Means last action what have we have performed here 56, so we have changed here 65, and the undo command that you have done using the undo command. So I will press the undo command here. so your 56 will come. If you will press the redo command, so what will come? Your 65. So press redo button. So this is the way how you will use undo and redo command. And undo shortcut key is your control plus Z, and redo shortcut key is your control plus Y. Now I will tell you how to insert rows and column in Excel. Like you want to insert here one more column. So firstly select the cell, then right click on it and click on insert. Now you want to insert a column, then click on entire column option, then click on OK button. So this is the way how you will insert a new column. If you want to insert a new row, so simply right click on it, then click on insert, then click on entire row, then click on OK button. So this is the way how you will insert a column and row. Now next is copying and moving data. How you will copy the data and move to next cell. Like you want to copy this data and move in this cell. So how you will copy? Simply select the cell, then right click on it and click on the copy option, and you will choose the control plus C shortcut key of copy, and you will choose the in clipboard group. This is your copy option. Okay. So click on copy option. Now you want to move here. Simply select the cell, then right click, then click on paste. So this is the way how you will use copying and moving data. Clear? Next is, and shortcut key of cut is control plus X, copy is control plus C, and paste is control plus V. Next is cut and paste. Cut and paste, copy and paste means, copy and move means your duplicate copy will create. Okay, and if you will use the cut and paste, so your data will remove from the first location and paste into new location. So like you want to cut this data from this location, simply right click on it, click on cut, and shortcut key of cut is control plus X, and you will choose the clipboard group also. Here click the cut option. Okay, so I will choose this option, click on cut. So it will cut from temporary cut from this database. Now I want to paste here, right click on it and click on paste button. So your data is removed from this location and paste into new location. So this is the method how you will use cut and paste, and this is the way how you will use copy and moving. So hope so students you all have understood about these chapters. Thank you class.